Hi, this is your beautiful vacuum cleaner robot. It's not working anymore like you already seeing here, but luckily I'm an electrical engineer and I managed to find the problem. I will show you step by step exactly what I've done, and I hope you're gonna help me at the end of it. Okay, so now even if it's looking like this, it's fully functional. So if I turn this on, it should not blow up, it should do something. Just a moment. Like this. As you see, both motors are out because the initial problem, it was actually the robot turning into a circle, and then I just realized one of the motor is not turning at all. So you will see in here, moving from the remote backwards and forwards, exactly what's happened. So I'm going to zoom on one of the motors, which is the left one, this one, and you will see alright, after that forward and backwards, it's working nice. And then going to the next one, which the problem is, you'll see exactly what it's doing. It's trying to move, but it's not that successful. I'll show you here what's happened a bit better. Trying to, alright. Hold it. Hold it.
Hold it how? Back?
Like this. Let's try to move. But it, hold it. But it can't move it. It's jumping. Okay. Stop it now. Right, so I'm gonna make a pause and then I will switch the motors, and I'll put this one on the left side and this one on the right side, so to prove it that actually the motor is wrong. Right, so I switched the motors, and then I'm gonna run using the remote forward or backward, doesn't matter which way. Hold all the time. Okay, backwards, forwards. Okay, just a moment, please. I'm going to focus on the image. This is not okay. All right. No, wait a bit. Forward, backward. Okay, so it's working. Installed on the other motor place. And this one, which is the problem, run it again, please. Is doing exactly the same thing. Okay, the other way. Try to move the other way. Alright, so now I know for sure, 100%, this is not working. As you see at the end of the shaft, it doesn't have this small thing, which is part of the system which is checking if the motor is turning or not. You have, like I know, you have two systems in here. One of them is a emitter, one of them is a receiver, and this one is breaking the beam between them. And in this way, checking if the impulses are coming on somewhere on the board, it will see, the actually processor will see if the motor is turning or not. So in the first place, I have to tell you, this system is not working. So the motor is not checking absolutely anything. So probably that's why in one moment that motor was blocking something, and the boards was still supplying the power to the motor, and somehow destroy itself. So more than that, I will do another check. I know how to check this motor, and I'll make another pause, and I'll show you what the values are. Alright, as you see in here, I've got a multimeter motor, and my testers are connected on those two black wires, which are going straight to the motor. So actually those two wires are going straight to the brushes, which are touching the copper connector to the coil. So turning the motor will find out the value for each coil, and then so do it 10 times. Stop. Stop. As you see, the value is 17, around 17. Do it 10 times. Yes?
Yeah.
It's always 17. More. More. How many times did you do it by now? 5, 6. Next. 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 How many? 11, should be 11. Alright? So that's it. So as you see, the values are somewhere around 17 point something ohms. So if I do the same thing with the other one, you'll see the difference. Oops. I didn't take this out. Okay. Alright, so I put the pins. Alright.